pliers. I'm Erica from Erica Scroggins Jewelry. Today I'm going to guide you through making a wire wrapped ring. It will be made with this gorgeous sapphire. It is 6 millimeters wide. This tutorial is paired with my prong setting tutorial. The link is in the description box below. Tools, lists, and links are in the description box below in case they're needed. I'm using 2 pieces of 24 gauge 14 karat gold wire, square. You're going to need to modify the prong setting tutorial from 4 inches to 7.5 to 8 inches. You're going to need a ring mandrel, nylon jaw pliers, tweezer nose pliers, flush cutters, ring bending pliers or half round square tip pliers. So I have my prong setting that I made. I'm going to straighten the tail ends of the wire and then just crisscross them. Make sure they're really close to the setting. I'm going to adjust with my tweezer nose pliers and just begin the bend on this and then finish it off with my tweezer nose pliers. And then I'm just going to grab where I just bent and straighten that wire out. I'm going to bend both of them using the first wire that I bent as a guide. That way they're even. And I'm just going to bend both of them on this side because you can do it both ways. And now we have the base for our ring. Test fit your stone. If it doesn't fit, just adjust. You're going to need to use the groove that is in your ring mandrel and place the setting in the groove. And then you're just going to guide those tail end wires around, and they do need to crisscross. While I'm holding the shoulders of my ring, I'm going to adjust these. And then I will finish off the bend around the rest of the ring mandrel. Go ahead and place your thumb right at the center of the shank of your ring, and then bring those tail end wires on around to the shoulder and up near the setting. Now I'm going to hold the shoulders while I bend the tail end wires. So the wire that's closest to me, or on the right side, I'm just going to bend it over, and then on the other side, the one that's on the left, I'll go about 1 millimeter underneath the wire that I just bent and then bend there. While holding the shank of the ring, I'm going to flip it over, and again holding the shoulders of the ring, I will go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. remove your ring mandrel while holding the shoulders of your ring. And now I'm going to just grip it with my pliers and bring the left side wire on around. I want it to go under the right side wire though. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it up underneath that wire. Go ahead and wrap that as many times as you want to around the shoulders of your ring. Do the same thing to that right side wire, only you're going to go up toward the setting. And go ahead and bring that through. So I'm just going to bring them all the way down on both sides. And try and get those wires as tight as you can without damaging your gold. So be gentle but firm. Trim any excess of the wires and then smooth those ends down with your tweezer nose pliers, and you've got a gorgeous ring. Now we're going to set the sapphire. So go ahead and test fit your stone. So mine looks like it's fitting well. I'm going to use my work vise and the thermal plastic and go ahead and bring those prongs down toward the stone with my tweezer nose pliers. And then I'm just going to go around and make sure that they're all secure. Try not to apply too much pressure, but just enough to where that prong sits right up against your stone. I hope you guys enjoyed making this ring as much as I did, because I really enjoyed making it for you. If you're new here, welcome. I share tips, tricks, and tutorials on wire wrapping and weaving, so if you're interested in this, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Have a great week, everybody. And I will see you in the next one.